Shanghai Qinkai Industrial Co Limited, established in 2015, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of cable bridge, C-type steel, cable ladder, solar support, metalwork. We are located in Shanghai with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including laser cutting machine, CNC punching machine, shearing machine, bending machine, welding machine, drilling machine, polishing machine, and others. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 and CE. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, South America, Eastern Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, Oceania, Mid-East, Eastern Asia, Western Europe, Central America, Northern Europe, Southern Europe, South Asia, domestic market. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance, your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.
Welcome to Shanghai! Welcome to Qinkai!
Welcome to Shanghai Qinkai Industrial Co. We have cable trays, unit strut panels, solar mounting systems, and other accessories. Welcome all customers from all around the world to send inquiries to us. Thank you.